Let's go, Coffee Coders. Tuloy na tayo sa part 4, which is the text and font styling topic. For this topic and video lesson, what are the agendas that we will be included in this video or the series of this part 4? Number 1, font families and weights, text properties, size, color, line height, and alignment, CSS units, px, em, rem, percentage, and view width and height, Google Fonts and font embedding, and also text effects and transformations. Dito magpo-focus lang tayo for now sa ating text and font styling topic all around, from start to finish, even sa mga examples, para may dedicated tayong lesson for that. Dito din i-discuss yung iba't ibang units na ginagamit for text and font styling, especially sa sizing or font size ng ating text elements. So let's go. Again, this is Code Coffee, Filipino, 25, full-time and freelance developer.